Green building is very exciting. 80% of environmental damage is due to energy creation and usage. So the green movement, while it's about sustainability, it's about energy consumption, it's about reusable materials, is mainly about reducing our need for energy. So we're all about energy conservation.
With the David Weekley Homes Green, you can really categorize most of the different improvements into three areas. Thermal envelope, which is the exterior of the home, the HVAC system, which is heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, and then also different components that would fall under the category of being safe for the occupants. To look at each of these elements, we'll begin by looking outside the home. This is our thermal envelope. The wall assembly on the outside is going to have sheathing. 100% of the exterior walls are going to have this covering it, so that any temperature fluctuations are protected first and foremost by this material. One of the problems is going to be the windows. We put a big hole in the wall. So what we're going to do is we're going to come in with a butyl rubber tape, and we're going to seal the window unit to the sheathing. It's going to prevent any moisture penetration. It's also going to prevent any air infiltration. The air conditioning system is without a doubt the largest energy consumer in the home. So if we can lessen the amount it has to run, the better off it's going to be. We used to look at bigger is better, and that is absolutely no longer true. We want to right size it for the home. It needs to keep the home cool. The furnace needs to keep it warm. We accomplish that in a number of ways. If we've cooled the air with the air conditioning system, we want to deliver it out to the rooms and throughout the home as efficiently as possible. So our ductwork now has an R8 insulation factor around it, which keeps the cool air or the warm air inside the ducts from losing into the attic. The other thing we're going to do is minimize the leakage. And the way we accomplish that is right here on the ductwork, as well as the unit itself. We use a hard cast mastic to seal up all of the joints, all of the transitions to keep the air inside the system. One of the more difficult areas of the home to cool is the second floor space. Here you can see this blue material helps to encapsulate the insulation, allowing the insulation to trap the temperature and not transfer the heat of the attic into this room. And that's one of the components that helps us downsize an air conditioning to be the right size for the home. These are just a few of the steps that have come together to make David Weekley Homes Green homes affordable, comfortable, and energy efficient.